Let me start off with your index call. What are you expecting in terms of the index move today, and of course in a truncated week, maybe Friday as well?
Yeah, good morning, Harsh. Good
Good
morning,
morning.
everyone. So looking at the volatility, 25,700 is the important level to watch for intraday perspective. If he breaks below 25,700, I think we could see further more liquidation in the position, and then the index can go further down to retest its previous swing low, which we have seen in previous day. The 50-day moving average is likely to act as a next support area, which is almost placed at around 25,550 area, which is very 100-day moving average. 25,550 is the important and key support area now for near-term perspective. On the higher side, the call writers are still confident at 25,900, 26,000 strikes. So there is no unwinding trade has been visible in last couple of days, despite of some pullback action was there from the lower level. So until the Nifty not crosses about 25,850, 900 zone, I think short covering will be absent in the market. The short covering will trigger about 25,900 only. Bank Nifty is showing sign of strength. Here one can find some opportunity as banking and financials are still holding the ground. So I think those who wants to trade in index, Bank Nifty is better place to trade on the long side as the structure is bullish. 20-day moving average is very well defended by the Bank Nifty, and I think if it continues to trade above 59,200, there is a possibility of 59,800 to 60,000 in the continuation of this up move.
Right. Okay, Rajesh, hi, morning. On that note, let's get some mid-cap strategies as well from you.
So metal is the area where we are focusing, and I think from metal space, Hindalco is looking promising. The way stock is moving in higher top, higher bottom formation. Here one can continue on the long side of trade. Possible target towards a 965, 970 we could see. On the downside, 915 needs to keep as a stop loss. Another space where we are focusing is banking and IndusInd Bank. We are recommending from the banking space. The way the stock has bottomed out after a long corrective move, we believe that this stock has potential to extend gain further. We are projecting target of 940, 945. On the downside, 895 needs to keep as a stop loss.
Right. Okay. Chakri, we'll let you go on that note. Thanks as always for your.
There's some pullback action from the lower level now. Stock is negotiating with its 20-day moving average supply area, which is placed at around 2450 zone. If any breakout happens about 2450, could take stock further higher to move back to the 2500, 2550 kind of zone. So the chances is there that we could see some recovery in this counter as most of the capital market related stocks have done well in last trading session, and most of the stocks are showing some buying interest from the lower level. So one should remain on the long side of trade with stop loss of 2370. On the higher side, one can project target of 2500 to 2550.
Right. Okay, Rajesh, stay with us. Rajesh, what are the first trades that you're punching in?
Aisha, first trade is on Coal India. There is a fresh breakout on Coal India after a brief consolidation. I think stock is now moving beyond its support resistance area, and looking at the breakout on the daily weekly time frame, we believe that 455 to 460 would be the positional target for this counter. So buy and accumulate would be the strategy for Coal India. On the downside, 428 needs to keep as a stop loss. Another stock, as we discussed earlier, also like Angel One, is showing a sign of buying interest, and the way now stock is trading about 20-day moving average, I think here we could see further higher level during the day. 2550 we are projecting target. On the downside, 2430 needs to keep as a stop loss.
Right. Okay, Rajesh, Kunal, both of you, thanks as always for your time. We'll let you go.